Looks like hair gel.
Every room has it, so just be prepared. Don't touch anything. Hepatitis is a real thing. But I will point your attention to this really adorable fireplace.
I can't wait to rip those mirrors off.
Someone put a lot of time and energy into this hideous look, this hideous design.
Yeah.
And this little English cottage, so cute.
Yes.
Dining room is really nice size.
Yeah, this is a huge dining room.
Nice
you can
to have
do
a
like
formal dining
a
room.
sideboard. Is the kitchen bad?
Yeah,
How bad?
it's pretty bad. This is the tiniest kitchen I've ever seen.
Where do the appliances
I have an
go?
idea.
Keith, you
It was
lied
pretty.
to me. I trust you, and you lied to me.
No, I mean, it's a nice layout, and it has some nice original charm. Anyway,
You
new
are so
toilet,
brilliant.
everything.
You
great.
find inspiration in all things. That's why I love you.
Let's see upstairs. It's actually really charming up there. And as a duplex, it was definitely not ideal for living. This is a teeny kitchen. I'm thinking of turning this into a little office space because the rest of the space up here is definitely going to be reconfigured. What I'm thinking is create a hallway here that you would have a door into this bedroom and then also a door to this bedroom to create two separate bedrooms. I think that would be the best way to reconfigure this and make it
The cheapest way, at least, yeah.
So what if we make this like a huge owner suite, main bedroom, huge walk-in closet, ensuite bath, and do a 3-2 instead of a 4-2?
Well, that's less money, right?
How much more for another bedroom are we gonna get?
Another bedroom would probably add like 10,000, but I feel like the sellability of having a huge owner suite. As a realtor, I typically never recommend taking away a bedroom, but in this case, that bedroom would have been so small. I mean, just take that little bedroom down the road somewhere because we don't need it.
All right, you have changed my mind in my thinking. I was trying to get as many bedrooms out of this house as possible, but I think you're right with the sellability of having a full ensuite, which we never have.
Let's show you this bathroom because it's
Bathroom is pretty
kind of
impressive.
massive.
And I love it.
Whoa, it is.
Isn't that nice?
Okay.
No, it's a really nice selling feature, I think.
So what do you guys think the reno budget would be now that we've reconfigured everything?
Like 80 to 100, but
80.
hopefully 80.
I think we can at least list it at 160.
That would be awesome.
That'd be great.
Yeah.
You know, I love when you make my job easy.
That's what we attempt to do.
Keith, I want these hardware pieces.
Since we're keeping this kitchen where it is, we have to be really efficient with the space. The best thing we could do is make a U-shaped galley with a sink under the window, but that means we have to change the existing window, which isn't always the easiest thing in a brick house.
So the window needs to be cut in all the way over to here.
Yikes. See if there's a way to like remove
those
these
out
bricks and like
and
use them to rebuild here.
Maybe somebody can, I can source like a fun window. All right. The Balmoral house should have more of a formal, aristocratic style, but make it chic. We'll lean more English garden with a mix of antique vibes, high-end finishes like granite tops and built-ins, and of course, corgis. Lots of corgis. And we can save the cove, hopefully.
You think?
I mean, this is the only really
I don't think we'll be able to.
Yeah, we can. Totally. So at the Balmoral house today, we have resituated the kitchen window. Most of the framing is wrapping up in there. All right, so we're almost done with the kitchen framing.
This kitchen's small, but it'll be mighty.
This is a new layout for us. We've never done that.
We're on a tight schedule for the Balmoral house. Shay really wants us to finish it up fast so that we can get it on the market before the next interest rate hike. So we're having some of the trades kind of overlap. The finishing of the framing, the windows are starting, the electrician is finishing, the plumber is starting.
It's a dance that you might see at like a white wedding, so it's not going well.
Ready?
Yeah. I don't really want to do this. How did we fall so behind that we have to help with the ceiling?
Have we gotten lazy in our old age?
No, it's not an easy task, you know? Balmoral is disastrously off schedule at this point. We know it's really bad because we're doing drywall ceilings, which means that really from a scheduling standpoint, it's the ultimate failure because that's the one thing I absolutely really don't like doing. All right, let's do this. Shay has already set all of the open house materials stuff up. All the dates have been set. How you doing down there?
Great.
It just adds all this pressure. The burn, I know, it's real.
Is becoming quite strong.
All right, that wasn't the worst.
No.
My arms are kind of quivering. I'm glad that we're able to afford most of the drywall done these days. Although I must admit, I would be in much better shape.
Interesting.
Yes, it's the chessboard of the Balmoral Castle. When I think of the monarchy, I think of chess. So the bathroom is going to be like a big chessboard.
The trouble that I have with black and white is that it just always, like, reminds me of Beetlejuice.
No, that's not the same.
You know? It's like, that's what always freaks me out about it. The whole chessboard vibe, I don't know if it's really working with the rest of the house, maybe, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter because we have so much going on today that I'm just gonna let Keith have this because I'm sure it'll look fine. You know what we also need to do today is build the hood. So this tiny little kitchen packs quite a punch. We're building the hood using the corbels that we got from Architectural Salvage Warehouse. Fancy. We built everything out to the ceiling. We put kind of fancier crown molding on it.
That's perfect right there, go.
Confused at what I'm seeing here. Should put like a sun or something.
A sun?
Yeah.
Why would it have a sun?
Oh yeah, little white caps and stuff.
There's two swans.
Oh, swans.
Go back to doing what you're doing and stop micromanaging my detail painting.
Oh, look at that fireplace! Oh my goodness!
Shay.
It's like a little work of art.
Like
Hi,
you.
Keith.
Hello.
This is so cute.
I like it. Shay's always snooping around, making sure her assets are protected.
Her assets.
I'm referring to myself, of course.
So here's the kitchen, covered in plastic.
Well, at least I get an idea of the color. Oh, mama lied.
It's like a pinkish brown.
It's kind of like my shirt color.
Yes.
How do I do this? I'm like in sync.
We've also decided to take the color of the cabinets to the ceiling and the walls.
So what about upstairs?
Okay, upstairs is almost done.
Excited to see our moneymaker.
I think you'll like what we have done.
Is it green?
Yes.
Two-tone?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I love that because it just adds some dimension to the space.
Variations.
So should we postpone the open house?
No.
I am very concerned. The open house is supposed to be tomorrow, and there's so much work that still has to be done. Do you want me to come and help? I'll help.
I will put you in a roller and a suit. How about that?
What about my nails?
I got gloves, girl.
Okay.
Oh my God. I love that. That is a great kitchen. That pillow's upside down. Ah, yeah, so fresh. Very fresh. Excuse me.
We made the deadline. Here we are, open house on time.
It's kind of a miracle that we actually got the open house done.
This house definitely was a challenge. It was a duplex at one point. It's much better now.
We bought this house for $7,300. We've spent $105,000 on the renovation. It is 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and we're listing it for $165,000.
So what do you think about the house? What do
From
you
the
think?
outside, I love it, and I actually really like the color of it also.
It's designed based on the Balmoral Castle.
Oh, I'm really excited to see what it looks like now.
And the green door is very inviting, so we're ready.
Oh, it's inviting.
Go
Let's be invited. Come on in, ladies.
Oh my God, I love it.
Welcome to the Balmoral house.
I love your outfit.
Thank you. Scottish Highlands. Kilt is always a dress clothes.
I love it.
This is absolutely gorgeous.
I definitely feel like we nailed the theme. I feel like at any point, some corgis will run through the door, jump onto the couch. It's perfect.
This is absolutely gorgeous.
That insert was his inspiration for the design for the entire house.
It was already part of the fireplace.
Yeah, but he made it pretty. It was not, the fireplace did not look like this. He refinished it and gave it this stone look and then painted to highlight that feature.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Historical feel with the modern additions.
Yeah, have some tea.
Maybe some crumpets?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I'm glad you're loving the place because there is more to see.
Oh, yes.
Follow me. The dining room.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, wow.
I'm really impressed with the space. You see, it's like petite from the curb, but you get inside
And it
it's-
opens up.
And it does. It
And-
really does.
And now is the chandeliers that refinished? Did they bring
Yep,
that
the
in?
chandelier is refinished.
I like the consistency of the colors throughout. It really ties everything in together well and makes it feel nice and cozy.
Even though you're in the middle of the city, it's very peaceful, relaxing.
English countryside.
English countryside
Yes,
is
very much so.
Oh, my favorite place in the house.
Do you cook?
I do. Ooh. Oh, wow.
So this was kind of our major reconfiguration where there was actually a doorway that way. Closed it all off so we could have a full bank of cabinets.
Oh my God.
Okay.
This is absolutely gorgeous. This is the cutest little house I've ever seen.
There's quite a bit of counter space.
Oh, yeah, the counter space is to die for.
Could see us cooking up something good in here together.
Yeah, absolutely.
For sure.
So the bathroom is inspired by what, Keith?
The chessboard.
Chessboard.
You will see.
My gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at that.
Even the shower. Wow. I love
That
the
bathroom
floor.
was really crazy before. It was a mess.
Was it?
Was it?
It was much better.
Yeah, the
Cleaned up
colors
real
all go
nice.
together so
Thank you.
nicely.
Oh, and the sink even looks like it's a chess piece coming to play.
Look at the wall though.
All right, so first of 3 bedrooms.
Oh my God, I love it. I absolutely love it.
I love the headboard. It has such,
An old English vibe.
yes, but it's got a coziness. It reminds me of like a bedroom in a cottage.
Just feels like when you wake up in the morning, you're almost like in a storybook.
Thank you. I love a
I
storybook
love
vibe.
that.
The
Upstairs.
main selling feature is the upstairs bedroom.
Okay.
Ensuite is very sweet.
Okay. Ah, I like
Oh my God. Absolutely
I love
gorgeous.
it. It looks like it was like part of the house.
Yeah.
This would be perfect. I need this. I
You have a
have
lot of
so
books?
much books, records, movies.
Absolutely.
Awesome. The bedroom is actually quite large.
So this is the main bedroom.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
I love the tapestry.
That is a very nice addition.
It's like a
Beautiful.
peaceful oasis.
And that's this entire upstairs is a peaceful oasis. Check out this ensuite.
Oh, my yes. My yes, that green. I just love that color green.
We did some beautiful tile that kind of has a multicolored tonal thing
Like
going
his
on.
kilt.
Yeah, it's much like my kilt.
Yes. The
Don't
true
match the kilt.
inspiration.
I love this house.
I think we found ourselves a new home.
It was a very positive open house. I feel like everybody really kind of understand the theme, but also appreciated all the elements of the house that really make it a very special house.